As one of the most precision components of the iPhone, Face ID has always been a problem for iPhone repair. Traditional chip solution and flex cable solution require disassembling crystal, soldering, and even jumping wires. The repair operation is difficult and requires a high level of technique. In this video, we will introduce the new Face ID repair solution that require no crystal disassembling, no soldering and no alignment. This solution is currently applied to iPhone X-12 series, Face ID failure problem caused by dot projector fusion. First, turn on the phone to check Face ID. It shows a problem was detected with the True Depth camera. Face ID has been disabled. Dial the number to test the proximity sensor, flood illuminator works properly.